4 runs off 5 balls. He's got to go for it. Deflects it down the final 8 for single. O'Donnell on strike. The leg by. 3 to win. Close. It's got in. He's come. Oh, what a finish. Imran gets Simon O'Donnell LBW with 3 runs for victory. The end of a fine innings. 3 balls to be bowled. 3 runs, and Carl Ruckman will make his way to the wicket. What a finish. What a match.
Carl doesn't want to go. He's getting advice from all quarters.
Fine innings from Simon O'Donnell, out for 39. In the final over, taking his time with the field place, and England slowed the game down. Caught Simon O'Donnell hitting across the line, judged LBW for 39. Imran Khan to Carl Ruckman. Swing and a miss. Oh, the pressure mounts. Wasn't a good delivery.
Wasn't a good shot.
Well, the style was there. Wasn't any contact. In comes Imran Khan. Bowling! Wow, what a finish. Ruckman clean bowled by Imran. 1 ball to be bowled. 2 runs for victory, and it's going to be the veteran Terry Alderman to face the music. What a finish. As Alderman takes guard. Indicard Ahom, the Pakistan manager. He's bringing his fieldsman in a couple of places at deep lip wicket.
Where is Javed?
Well, the 12th man, Shoaib Mohammed's coming out on the field. There was a message, he's been sent back. That's all happening at the Sydney Cricket Ground. There's nobody at mid-wicket. The last delivery from Imran to Terry Alderman. And he's missed it. So it's all over. A great victory for Pakistan overall. Quick hanging on by 2 runs.
Well, that was a marvellous game of cricket, played in tremendous spirit, and a great climax, and a very, very good prelude to the first of the finals to be played in Melbourne. This is the scorecard for the Australians in reply to Pakistan's 220 for 8. They made 218 for 9, and good innings from Tom Moody and Simon O'Donnell. Good all-round performance from O'Donnell. In the Pakistan bowling, Imran Khan, I thought, bowled very well again, 2 for 28. Splendid all-round performance from him. Mushtaq